Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can send money to UPI from the EU or Europe. So let's get started. Now, sending money to UPI or an Indian UPI account, we would need to have a transfer service installed. So in my case, I will be using TapTapSend because it doesn't have any fees associated. So if you also want to use TapTapSend, you can watch the video in the upper right corner on how to create a TapTapSend account. So just go ahead and open the TapTapSend app. And right here on the homepage, just go ahead and select India or any UPI supported country in the search bar right here. Now here is India. Then you would need to input the euro amount that you would like to transfer. So let's say 10 euros. And then just go ahead and tap on next. Now before you tap on next, you will have a promo code section, and if you also take a look at the description below, you would be able to find a promo code that will give you extra 15 euros on your first transfer with TapTapSend. So you can use that to get some extra funds. Now just go ahead and tap on next, and then add a recipient. And right here you would be able to select UPI as an option. So let's go ahead and select UPI. After that, you would need to input a recipient's UPI ID. And after inputting a UPI ID, just go ahead and tap on check details. Then after confirming the details, this will be the transfer screen. So right here you have one last chance to add a promo code, so you can just input promo code PREM2208 and you will get 15 euros on this transfer. So after inputting the promo code, just go ahead and tap on the pay button and the transfer will be sent. So essentially, that's guys how you can send money from the EU to UPI or an Indian UPI account using the TapTapSend app without any fees. Thank you for watching.